Since 1949, the BYU Creamery has been making ice cream, cheeses, and other university-produced dairy products that are distributed all throughout campus, the Missionary Training Center, the LDS Business College, Y-View, and Welfare Square in Salt Lake. All dairy products are made from raw milk, made and shipped by Deseret Industries that originate from a church-owned dairy farm here in Utah. And everything is made on campus, here at the BYU Culinary Support Center. From the Wilkinson Center, it's just a short drive past the J. Reuben Clark Law School, north on 900 East, past the Creamery on 9th, left between Heritage Halls and the BYU Conference Center, next to the Bean Museum and BYU Broadcasting. In addition to a storefront, this is also where they make the sandwiches, salads, fruit cups, chopped vegetables, pasta, sauces, donuts, brownies, and all other baked goods that can be purchased at on-campus restaurants, cafeterias, and vending machines. It's also where they make the always popular BYU Creamery ice cream, which will be the focus of this video. They make 45 different flavors, including Bishop's Bash, Pralines and Caramel, Chocolate Fudge Mousse, Roasted Almond Fudge, Rocky Road, Lavelle's Vanilla, Rose's Sneakerdoodle, and 6 different kinds of sherbet. The process begins here, where they pump the raw milk from the Deseret Industries milk truck into these 2,000 and 3,000 gallon storage tanks. Then they use this pipe junction and pipe connectors to pump milk to the dairy production floor. After the milk is pasteurized, the cream begins to blend in these 3,000 gallon tanks, which takes 24 hours to complete. While the legal limit of butterfat for ice cream is 10%, BYU ice cream is considered a premium brand with 14% butterfat. There is another pipe junction on the dairy production floor that pipes milk, cream, or juice concentrate to the various machines to make sour cream, squeaky cheese, fry sauce, milk chocolate, orange juice, and other products. For ice cream, the cream base is pumped to one of 6 mixing tanks, where it is mixed with vanilla or cocoa powder. From the mixing tanks, the vanilla or chocolate cream base is pumped to the industrial-sized ice cream machine. An ammonia gas refrigerant is used to cool the cream to just below freezing temperature. This cylinder is where the cream is churned and air added to make a 50-50 air and ice cream mixture. For specialty flavors, extra ingredients are added into this hopper, which adds them as uniformly as possible to the ice cream right before it exits the nozzle into the container. Here they are adding chocolate-covered honeycomb candy to make Grand Canyon ice cream. This is Tim. He's been making ice cream at the BYU Creamery for about 20 years. Notice how he uses one hand to fill and the other hand to close the 4 flaps of a half-gallon ice cream carton. And here it is close up. Once the ice cream starts flowing, they don't stop the machine until they are done making the entire batch. This makes sure the ice cream production time is maximized and little time is wasted. They also use an automated machine to fill half-gallon cartons. They tried using the machine a few times for specialty flavors, but the chunks of extra ingredients would get caught and tear the carton, which would cause production to stop. Now they only use the machine for plain vanilla or chocolate ice cream and manually fill the specialty flavors. About 2,000 to 3,000 half-gallon cartons of this plain vanilla and chocolate ice cream is shipped to church welfare each week. In total, the Creamery makes about 4,000 to 5,000 gallons of ice cream every week, which is about 200,000 to 250,000 gallons each year. Flavors made each week are determined by demand, but only about 3 to 5 different flavors can be made each day. Currently, they only make ice cream 3 days out of the week, but demand has been growing every year, so they have been gradually increasing production. As the ice cream is packaged in 8-ounce cups, half-gallon cartons, or 3-gallon buckets, they are placed on a conveyor belt and pushed into the neighboring walk-in freezer. The freezer is comprised of 2 large rooms that are about 15 feet high, and the temperature is set to negative 20 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature does increase during the day to negative 13 degrees as employees enter and exit the freezer, but at these temperatures quality doesn't decrease and they don't need to worry about spoilage. After everything is stored in the freezer, they begin the cleaning process. They blow compressed air through the pipe so as not to waste any usable product, although there is still some residual cream and ice cream that does get wasted when water passes through for final cleaning. Finally, the ice cream is loaded onto delivery trucks and taken to various vendors throughout campus to be enjoyed by everyone.